Hey guys, Clay Roberts back here with BTZ AV. Today we're going to be talking about the 7100 tablet universal remote control system. As you can see here, we all got it all programmed up. Let me get you out of the glare here. There you go. So, as you can see, this house has multiple rooms. Very giant project here. Right now we are in the kitchen, so we can go and select. We can go through the rooms here. You can see what the rooms are doing. There's music playing on the pool rocks. There's music playing outside. Whatever room you want to do, you can go through here. Today we were looking for the kitchen, so if I hit kitchen, URC audio, we have multiple things tied into here. We have an iPod, a CD player, radio, Heos Link, and Heos Local Music. You could choose any one of these devices and they'll play out of the audio distribution speakers located all over the house. So if I just did Heos Link, right, it just goes to this guy, linked and tune in 99.5, the radio, and it's playing now. You have your audio feedback here. You can slide with your hand. Visual audio feedback also is very good. So again, to use this, we want to shut the kitchen off. Bottom right is your power. So you hit that power button there. It shuts the kitchen down. You can leave the room. In this house, we have programmed into entertainment. We can watch DVD in the kitchen, Kitchen Spectrum, TV apps, whatever you want to do, you can do this with this 7100 URC tablet. Up here on the top left, you can go ahead and go choose your location. So you choose the room you want. We're in rooms now. We have about, I don't know, 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 rooms altogether, or 18 locations in this house. Each one has audio and video distribution. So if you would see here, to just swipe down from the top right corner of this tablet, and you can go into your settings. Okay, in the settings, these work off of Wi-Fi. You can easily go to system, check your memory, check your version, your firmwares, your dynamic link library, right? All that stuff you can check in this system information here. You can also, if the network ever falls off of the network, you can always go to network right here and wireless search. We're already connected, so but it will pull up all your networks in the radius in the house here. So let's go back. Let's go ahead and hit this demo. We also have, we have sleep settings, general, your sound, your brightness of the tablet itself, your pickup sensor. So when you pick it up off of your charging base station, which this is a charging base station, you have a status light and a power. It's getting power. And once you put it on, you will get the status light. It will come right on. So that's your pickup sensor, your proximity sensor. So if I come close, you can see there's eyes and sensors here. So if it sees something move past, it'll wake up and be already ready for me to use. Your network, we went through that. Intercom, I can talk through this tablet, through the other tablets, through this tablet here, the media room tablet. There's 2 in this house. This one goes in the kitchen. Power, again, sorry, you got the settings timeout there. And then let's go ahead and just jump into a demo mode and see what we can do here. Would you like to enable demo mode on this device? Sure. Oh, so go ahead and take a look at the visual feedbacks here. We are in demo mode right now. The background can be customized. You can put your family photos on there. You can put whatever you want on there. So lighting, thermostat, your door locks, anything like that, you can do with this tablet. So if you want to lock your door from your master bed, you can do that here. If you want to change this thermostat from the couch or wherever room you're at, you can do that here. If you want to change the lighting from 75% to 25% and give that dim feeling, you can do that here also. Like we went over earlier, we could do music and entertainment, and up here in the top left, you can do your room search. So whatever you want to do, you can do it here. Let's go ahead and X that out. Demo mode. Let's go ahead and now playing cable TV, power, turning off the family room. Let's go and swipe down again. From the top right, you swipe down, you get your gears here. Demo mode. Would you like to disable demo mode? Yes. So we go back to, didn't erase any programming. All that stuff is done on the MRX 15. This is just to show you guys how this works. It's about as big as an iPad mini, and it's handheld and has a charging base station. You can also plug it in directly with a USB-C cable, and your battery is located here. 2 small screws replace the battery if it ever goes bad. Hardly ever does, hardly ever will. But other than that, if you guys would, please like, share, and subscribe to this video. Thank you very much.